My name's Tony and I'm from Rochester, New Hampshire. I've always been interested in solar. Just never really knew it was accessible for my budget. I had friends that had solar panels with 603. My neighbor had just gotten a solar system with 603. And so I contacted 603 Solar and spoke with Zach. We met in person. He had looked at the property, looked at different areas that could be done, how the arc of the sun was going to be with the treetops and everything else. The biggest thing when you're ever buying a product is being able to trust the product, or if you don't know anything about it, like solar is not in Walmart. You can't just go feel it, touch it, you have to kind of do some research. The process with 603 was, guiding me through the whole thing and explaining the process. You feel like they want your business, you're not just another number. It was very personable. I love it. I like gadgets, I like technology, I like numbers. It comes with an app that you can see your actual production right down to each panel and how they're producing. So that's showing what I made yesterday. I like the idea of I know where my energy is coming from. It's not going through a bunch of middlemen. It's coming from the sky to my panels, to my appliances, and any extra gets shipped off to the grid is a credit. I 100% recommend 603 Solar. It's a no-brainer.